Thank you for selecting Larry H. Miller Chevrolet Murray, where we have hundreds of new, pre-owned, and certified vehicles to choose from. Check out this.
Imagine driving this Sierra Red 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe SUV, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 26 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like remote power door locks, HomeLink system, leather upholstery, heated driver and passenger seating, power sunroof, heated outside mirrors, power driver's seat, rear spoiler, trailer wiring, tire pressure monitoring system, windshield wiper heater, auto dimming mirrors, on-steering wheel audio and cruise controls, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. See us at Larry H. Miller Chevrolet of Murray today.
Please contact us today or visit our site at larryhmillerchevrolet.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.